Hello everyone and welcome back to English Hub. Do you get confused between a and the? Don't worry, in just a few minutes you will master the basic rules of articles in English. Simple, quick and clear. Articles are words that come before noun and tell us whether the noun is specific or general. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an, whereas definite article is the. So first of all, let us look at two indefinite article, a and an. We use a or an when we are talking about something for the first time or something general. Use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. Remember, a consonant sound. The sound of the word should be consonant. Some examples are a cat, a book, a university. Now, as you can hear, university starts as YOU. So, a university. Whereas we use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. Remember, sound, a vowel sound, A-E-I-O-U. For example, an apple, an R, because H is silent here and the sound is a vowel, an R, R. Next is an honest man, the sound is honest man. Remember to focus on the sound, not just the first letter. Now let us look at the definite article, that is the. We use the when we talk about something specific or already known. Something specific or already known. For example, the sun. There is only one sun. The book on the table, the specific one which is on the table. The Taj Mahal, a specific place. Some more examples to compare are here. Remember that A is used before consonant sound, an is used before a vowel sound, whereas the for something specific. Now let us see rules of using articles. Rule number 1. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Consonant sounds are those sounds which are apart from the vowel sound. Remaining all other sounds apart from the vowel are consonant sound. Like we have vowels A, E, I, O, U. Apart from these, all the other alphabets are consonant alphabets. For example, a cat, a university, a book. It's the sound, not the letter, remember. Rule number 2. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Remember, vowel sound. An apple, an honest man, an MBA. Remember to pronounce the word before adding an article. Here, in honest, H is silent, and for MBA, when you pronounce it, sound comes as a vowel. Rule number 3. Use the when talking about a specific person or a thing. The sun, the Taj Mahal, the teacher, the girl, the Sonia. Rule number 4. Use the when there is only one of something. The moon, the earth, the sun, the sky, the internet. Rule 5. Use the before superlative and ordinal number. Superlatives like best, worst, tallest, the tallest girl in the class, the best player, the laziest person, the first chapter, cardinal number, first, the most beautiful girl. Rule 6. Use the with unique objects or places. The Ganga, the Himalaya, the United Nation, the United States of America. Rule 7. No article before uncountable or plural noun. She loves the milk. Wrong. She loves milk. Bird flies in the sky. Wrong. Birds fly in sky. Rule 8. Use the with proper nouns when they represent a group or system. For example, the British rule, the French Revolution, the army. Here is a quick summary chart. Just note down for yourself. Here are some practice sentences. Just pause the video, solve the sentence, and check your answers. Articles may be small words, but they make a big difference in a sentence meaning. Keep practicing with different examples and watch this video again if needed. Here are few MCQs. Just pause the video, solve them, and resume the video and check your answers. Good luck.
Check your answers. Fill in the blanks.
Just pause, solve, and check your answers.
Choose the correct article. Here are the answers. Error correction. Find the errors. Answers.
Remember to like this lesson, subscribe to English Hub for more grammar videos, comment below if you would like a video on articles in storytelling or spoken English.